And a very common question I get asked is how safe is use of mesh, right? And so in over 1 million of these hernias that are being done every year, the study after study has shown that if the mesh that's been FDA approved for hernia repair is done, is used for the indication, which is hernia repair, and is done in the ways that I described, it's an extremely safe option, and it really has made a huge impact in reducing chance of hernias recurring. So it's really a very useful addition to our abilities. But sometimes surgeons use mesh for non-hernia operations and lifting pelvic organs that may be protruding or collapsing via the pelvic weak muscles of the pelvic floor and other conditions. And so that has given mesh sort of a bad reputation, but as a concept, FDA or surgical societies in the past 3 decades have never had a problem with the concept, and so we continue to offer that.